Welcome to Marine Corps Base Camp Pendleton, California, where technology meets tactical excellence. On October 25, 2025, U.S. Marines from the School of Advanced Infantry West took their training to the next level, deploying the cutting-edge Neros Archer FPV drone in live-fire platoon attacks. This isn't your typical drone. The Neros Archer is a game-changer, lightweight, fast, and precise. With a range of 20 kilometers and a payload capable of delivering kinetic strikes, this drone brings a new dimension to infantry warfare. It's American-made, free from foreign parts and affordable, less than $5,000 a unit, making it a powerful tool for expeditionary forces.
Ground has been swept. No more further cherry pickers. Just have the two.
See how they're all walking down in that draw?
During the exercise, Infantry Unit Leaders Course students practiced integrating the Archer drone into combined arms attacks, honing their decision-making, leadership, and technical skills. This hands-on training puts Marines at the forefront of modern combat tactics, preparing them to dominate the battlefield with superior situational awareness and firepower.
Right. Retention pin coming off. Retention pin off. SST pin coming off. SST pin out.
30 seconds, countdown.
ESAT is good.
Alright, clear to launch.
Good to launch.
Clear to launch.
The Neros Archer FPV drone's impact isn't just theoretical. It has demonstrated effectiveness in real-world conflicts like Ukraine, proving its battlefield worth. Thanks to this multi-million-dollar contract, Marines are empowered with the latest technology to ensure mission success anywhere in the world.
FPV drone operator displacing control bar.
So, watch closely as these Marines master the skies and take infantry tactics to new heights. This is the future of warfare, precise, fast, and lethal.
Roger. Hey, pick up! Shift to TRP2, move to rapid rate! Roger, 1 and 3 on TRP2! Negative, they're still on dismount, he's on TRP2. Do bail change. Fire! 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 Fire!
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates from the front lines of innovation.